Thank you very much for this opportunity to my party and to the chair. Sir, the Immigration and Foreigners Bill 2025 is a consolidation of the laws that impact the passport, visas, foreigners, etc. But there is some confusion in the narrative of the government, sir, if I may say so. If it's a mere consolidation, then they should not beat their chest about the paradigm shift that they think they're bringing after bringing this law. And if they do feel it's a paradigm shift, कि ये देश धर्मशाला नहीं है, जो कहा जा रहा है सर, अगर आप उस पे विश्वास रखते हैं कि आप बहुत बड़ा और ठोस कदम उठा रहे हैं, if it's a huge policy push, then sir, we have every reason as parliamentarians to ask this bill to be submitted to legislative scrutiny in a committee. Yeah. Sir, let me start by saying this bill is repealing 4 acts. Which are the areas of law? It is illegal migration, citizenship, deportation, detention camp, borders, de-voters, Aadhaar card, all of which is central subjects and which were governed under various subordinate legislations under these 4 acts. This was a bill that should have gone to some committee for scrutiny, and to make it look like a consolidation exercise is a disservice to parliamentary democracy, sir. I lodge a strong protest from All India Trinamool Congress here. Sir, इनको जब भी मौका मिलता है, ये बंगाल की बात करते हैं कि बंगाल के बॉर्डर पोरस है, बंगाल में जमीन नहीं मिलती. इस देश में अगर ऐसा कोई राज्य है, if there is any state in this country in which the issue of migration, the issue of citizenship, the issue of foreigners, the issue of pushback, the issue of international border is a burning issue, and it is Assam. And let me say that Assam is a state with double engine sarkar. It's a double engine sarkar. Sir, this government came to power in the center in 2014. The way they have played politically, जिस तरह से राजनीतिकरण हुआ of immigration and of citizenship, Assam is a laboratory for their twisted ideology, sir. Sir, Amit Shah ji ne 31st July, when the final list of NRC came up, the Honorable Home Minister over here told this side of the house, the opposition, that आप लोगों को आसाम अकॉर्ड के आत्मा के बारे में नहीं मालूम. सर, आसाम अकॉर्ड की धज्जियां अगर किसी ने उड़ाई है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने उड़ाई. जो डेट था सर, जो कट ऑफ डेट था मार्च 1971 का, इन्होंने बदला, वो CAA लाए और हिंदुओं को कहा कि आपको सिटीजनशिप हम देंगे. सर, CAA आने के बाद आज तक barely 350 people have been given citizenship under the CAA. When the entire nation was saying that CAA is unconstitutional, it violates the right to equality. Sir, I come to NRC. NRC में जब पहला ड्राफ्ट लिखना सर, at that point of time 40 lakh people were outside the NRC, and Amit Shah ji, the Honorable Home Minister, से हमने 40 लाख घुसपैठियों को निकाला. When the final list came out, sir, this number of 40 lakhs went to 19 lakhs, and that's the one single reason that after spending 1800 crores, after spending 1800 crores of public funding, 6 साल बीत गए, NRC का कुछ पता ही नहीं. So the people who ran from pillar to post, who sold their house, who sold their vehicles to show papers under NRC in Assam, today don't know whether they are citizens of this country or no. Today the Registrar General of India has not notified the NRC after spending 1800 crores. And what have they done? ये आधार कार्ड की बात करते हैं. Sir, the NRC that is not been notified, on the pretext of that, for more than 2 years, this government stopped the Aadhaar card of 26 lakh people in Assam. They could not get jobs. they could not apply for any of the government benefits till the Supreme Court intervened, sir. Last but not the least, आप illegal migration की बात करते हैं. मैं आज गृह मंत्री से पूछती हूँ, अपने जवाब में बताइएगा, ये 1997 से आसाम में जो डी वोटर चल रहा है, ये डी वोटर क्या है सर, बताइएगा. और ये भी मैं कह दूं कि इन दी असेंबली the government of Assam has given a data that 1,19,570 people have been declared D-voters. 5,411 is the number of people that have been declared foreigners. और तैयार रहिए, जो नेशनल इंटीग्रिटी की बात करते हैं, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी की बात करते हैं, only 26 have been deported since 2017. और जब जब आप लोग बंगाल का नाम लेते हैं, मैं इनको याद दिला दूं सर, ममता बनर्जी का हिस्ट्री पढ़ के आइए. आप लोग जानते हैं 21 जुलाई 21 जुलाई 1993 जो आज तक ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेट करती है धर्मतला में, उसका क्या इतिहास है वो पढ़ के आइए. वोटर लिस्ट के लिए ममता दी ने क्या आंदोलन किया था, कितने लोग शहीद हुए थे, वो पढ़ने के बाद हमारे नेता ममता दीदी के बारे में बोलिए. सर, this government has not just betrayed the Bengali Hindus of Assam. This government has betrayed the indigenous people of Assam, the Assamese Hindu of Assam, sir. I just need one more minute, and I challenge the Home Minister कि आप NRC notify करिए और फिर उसके बाद हमें भाषण दीजिए पार्लियामेंट में. Sir, they have consistently used the issue of citizenship. They have consistently used the issue of NRC. They have consistently used the issue of immigration time and again for polarization and dividing the society. और इसका जवाब झारखंड की जनता ने मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया आप लोगों को. घुसपैठिए बोलते रहे और वहाँ मुंह की खा के आए. Do not divide the society. Do not polarize the society. We all love our country and we all want our borders to be safe. But do not polarize the nation. Thank you, sir.